Hey fridge, is that you? Yeah, I think it's you. I guess I'm putting on the gloves to start cleaning you. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. My name is Cabernet. I live in Japan, and I usually make content about fitness, lifestyle, and vlogs. You guys know that Thanksgiving is coming up. I'm planning on having a low-carb meal, but before I can even think about what to buy and put in the fridge, I need to clean out the fridge. So today's video is going to be just that, a clean with me, clean out the fridge so that I can get some food ready for Thanksgiving. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to check out the playlist below, as this video is in collaboration with a bunch of beautiful ladies doing the same type of thing, cleaning for Thanksgiving. I'm just kidding guys, my fridge does not smell that bad, but check your fridge. If it smells, is your sign to clean it out. But if your fridge also looks like mine, that is also your sign to clean it out. So let's look at the fridge before, and then I'll show you the after right here. And we just have some stuff that we need to throw out. I'll go through everything, wipe it out, clean it out, have it smelling all good, and let's get started. Toss and throw away. My trash can is a rolly one. We're gonna roll this bad boy right into the kitchen. The part that I took off attaches to it, and then I wiped this second shelf, third shelf, and now I'm inside of the fruits and vegetable zone. Kind of messy in here. I'm trying not to pull these out. Just give it a wipe down. Okay, this is why you need to pull out the drawer sometimes, because y'all, look what I found. Like, this thing is old and hard. It's like a shriveled up piece of, I don't know if this is a cucumber or a hot pepper. And it's trash. Let me know how often you guys clean out your fridge. Is it once a week? Once a month? I'm definitely a once a month girl. Alright, now it's time to start throwing some things away that have gone bad. Cilantro, old food, a rotten onion, my husband's pig ears because I don't want him to eat these, grapefruit, old rice ball, which is just like seaweed and spam and egg, but it's expired. Expired taco shells. Alright, so the rest of the stuff I'll start packing back into the fridge. The fridge is looking pretty bare, y'all. Giving Cleaning Collab is in collaboration with Wanda from Miss Amechi and Sierra from Just Being Sierra. There's a bunch of other beautiful ladies in the description box below that you can check out to get some more motivation. So thanks for watching.
Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave.